Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to use cut section. Basically, cut section, particular area we have start for designing. So when I cut the particular area for working, so let's go to new project. Apply the space and go to next and yes, and also add the go to finish. So this is a graphical user interface. When I want to get predefined, so let's go to geometry and run structure wizard. When I find the trusses member, here you can see that this is truss member frame model. It is the different types of frame model you can see here. When I get click, this is frame model as 6 meter height and length is 40. Get 5 4 5 6 and 10 between. So let's see that it's much more quantity has. So when less I get decrease here 1 here you can see that. Then let's close here and go to us and yes, okay, this is here. When I get see this use from geometry here and again show you run structure wizard. This is frame structure and this is bridge here. So let's click. The height should be maintained 50. This is 2 and 10 mm distance. Like, then go to exit here and OK. Reference point, this is here. You can see that. Go to click and join this point. Okay. So you can see that if you change the if you want to delete this member, so I get select and go to top view. Here you can see that I have go to delete this particular member and right now so see this, here you can see that. And if you want to work in particular this area and this area, so I have go to cut section. So when I get here you can see that, and when apply the front view and I want to remove the cut section, so this one, this is the different types of range by joint, range by mini, max and maximum. I select view. I have used to rubber band, so yes, and I click this here. Here you can see that it is the down direction, upward direction is not here. Then I will go to work in particular area. So when I get joint member here, Add beam, I will click this here. When I get joint this point to this point, also joint this point to this point. And if you click this other view, so let's again I will join to this point to this point, and also start from this point. So it is very easy work. If you want get side view, right view, so they are the very easily to joint. You can see here. If you click the other side view, now I will show you 3D view. Here you can see that this is very useful for design right now. When again I will show you cut section, and so this is all show. So here you can see that we have done the work, then after show you the upward direction. When again I will show you how to cut section, when I will click this rubber band, use to rubber band, and click here you can see that. And now I will go to work right now, continue. So let's use from head beam. The head beam has been joined to right here. You can ask midpoint and add new point. So midpoint I have get here. Again I will show you ask in midpoint. So let's again midpoint. If you click this again I will show you midpoint. So this is as midpoint, and okay, again show you joint and midpoint. So right now I have go to joint this one, and if you click this particular line and command, so you can see here. Then after I will show you 3D view. This one is look at this, and again I will go to here cut section and show all. So right, it is very easy to use from cut section in Start Pro. Basically you want get particular area, line, and everything has been easily defined. So you can see that. So right now has been complete this session. Today has learn about cut section. So please do like and subscribe our channel.